Taking the X2 for a walk. Just taking the X2 for a walk. This is way more fun when the engine runs. After appearing that it was going to rain quite heavily, the sun came out. I'm going to head back over to the other side now. The slip is directly across from us. I was going to try to adjust the carburetors, but a couple of waves came up and I almost filled my hole full of water, so I decided that was a bad idea to do here. So I'm going to head over and do it over there. That shut off really abruptly. I don't think I hit the kill button. That didn't sound good. What is going on there? That's like kill switch stuff. I'm having some sort of ignition problem, people. That's not ideal. Uh-oh. I wonder if I'm getting a short on my kill switch or something. Uh-oh. It's definitely not a fuel thing. It's 100% electrical. I can tell by the sound of it. Oh, this is fun. Fun for everyone. Fun for the whole family. I must have a wire partly shorting or something. It doesn't seem like fuel. It's not good for the battery, is it? Not ideal. Not an ideal situation, folks. At least I have a camera to talk to. At least it's not tippy. Alright, let's build pump on. Well, the problem's not obvious. I had a quick look under the hood and I don't see anything. Oh, bother. Okay, so typical Joel thing. I think I might have ruined my Hero 7. I'm currently recording on my phone. I think I was able to get some clips with the Hero 7, but hopefully this isn't the first clip of the video you guys are seeing. I was out riding on the water and my X2 died. I came in and noticed that I'd actually been using my Hero 7 without the battery door on it. And then I ended up finding my battery door sitting on the jet ski carrier on the back of the truck. So I was about to put a new battery in my camera and go down and try to diagnose the problem on my jet ski, but looks like I won't be using my Hero 7. I'm going to leave it in the truck here. It's going to get quite warm, and hopefully it dries it out and it works. It's still powering on. It still seems to be working, but it switches between settings on its own, so not ideal. So let's go and see if we can figure out what's going on with the X2. The way that it shuts off very instantly, it seems very much like an electrical problem. But then the fact that it just starts up again seems like a fuel problem. Because if you have an electrical problem, it doesn't start again until you take care of that electrical problem. Anyway, whatever the case, let's see if we can figure it out. I have no idea. I didn't do anything. Maybe something got wet that wasn't supposed to be wet. I don't know, but it's working now. I'm kind of nervous to go very far though. All right, I put the camera back in my helmet because I'm not sure if it's working. I'm not sure if my jet ski is gonna work. Okay folks, it's doing it again. Oh, my knee. I slammed my knee into the hole when it stopped pulling. Oh man, is my camera working? Yes. I don't know, bad CDI or something. It works for a little while and then maybe it's getting hot. Whatever the case, it's shutting off. Not good, not ideal. There she goes. See if I can stay on it. Yeah, it's definitely electrical. It's not just shutting off on one cylinder or bogging out and dying. It's just shutting off just like a kill switch was hit. So whatever it is, it's electrical. I think my camera stopped recording on its own. I've disconnected the kill switch, the tether switch, to see if that is the issue. After this, I might disconnect the kill button, but I don't like that idea too much. I like having a way to shut it off in an emergency, but we'll see if this does anything. Oh, that didn't seem to help. Nope, that's not it. I will unhook the actual kill switch now and see maybe if that has something to do with it. My jet ski's not working, my camera's not working, so I just disconnected my kill switch. I'm really uncomfortable with doing that, but I gotta figure out what's going on here. Okay, apparently that's not the problem. It's a long walk back to the slip and a long swim back across. I do have my phone with me. I can call for help if I need to. Alright, let's start the walk. Hopefully this starts soon. But yeah, it's definitely no fire. Awesome. Awesome possum. I should swim across in a spot where it's fairly narrow. I think maybe that's up there. Just taking the X2 for a walk. This is way more fun when the engine runs. Oh, whoa, that got deep quick. Did you try choking it? Yep. Should probably open the hood and see if I can diagnose more. Okay, lost fire. Completely on all cylinders. So, trigger coil. Alright, these. Oh, what's going on here? What's going on with this red wire? You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break. That could be a thing. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest. Put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chest, tapping in next year. The venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. No focus, no guessing, just put an obsession. I'm in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. Oh, could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Bloody hands break through the chains, go free. People like sheep move feet. So he's been looking for somebody who can save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We can change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I know when the place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions, the right mind can do the work. It's like you lived a long lifetime. Gone from a break, gone from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got blood shine. You got life, better break off what you're doing. Make a dream job, no revive, no game boss. Just one life and free thoughts. Through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, run it easy. You don't wanna be say no, free me. I've got an itch I can't scratch. I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me. An open wound start to see. Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly. Thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let it when I'll take a stab. I wanna chase it back, I want a way I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me
myself, I never fake it. Seen how many boys said it's so they get famous. So they say I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but I'ma tell full of toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. All I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. The fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
Way faster on a jet ski when the engine's working. Whoever came up with that idea, smart man, smart man. I tell you what, folks, if you're going to own an old jet ski, you should probably have a few diagnosis skills. I almost gave up on that and walked back, and then I was like, you know what? There's only so many things it can be. If it's the CDI, I can't figure that out or fix it, but we'll check a few things. And it worked. All right. I'm glad I found that wiring problem. I know I already said this, but that would have been a very miserable walk. Very, very bad walk. And then a long swim, because I would have had to swim all the way across. I'm going to put some fuel in the ski and head down, probably one last trip down to the little inlet there and see what the water level looks like down there. Wait, what?